Students, now you are going to learn about exponents and powers. For we know how to express some numbers as squares and cubes. For example, we write 5 square for 25 and 5 cube for 125. In general terms, an expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factor is called a power. For this means, for 5 square is written as 5 into 5. 5 cube is written as 5 into 5 into 5. So the number 5 is called the base. For the number, this 5 is called a base. For this 2 power, it is called a power or exponent. And the number 2 is called the exponent, more often called as power. The exponent corresponds to the number of times the base is used as factor. For 5 square, for say this 5 square, for this is exponent, for this is base. We say this as 5 raised to the power 2. 5 raised to the power 2. For this related to exponents and powers, already you are learned in 7th standard, the laws of exponents. Now we use that laws of exponents. You are going to learn some of the problems. Students, once again listen. For you have to consider this 5 square. For this is power or exponent. Mostly we use the term power. For this is called a base. For the exponent corresponds to the number of times the base is used as a factor. For this 5 square is read as 5 raised to the power 2. So now for you have to listen this note. For a power 0 is equal to 1, where a not equal to 0. So that means a power 0 in the sense anything power 0 is equal to 1. For example, for 2 power 0 is equal to 1. 5 power 0 is equal to 1. Minus 1 power 0 is equal to 1. So anything power 0 is equal to 1. Next, a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. This is a formula. A power minus m equal to 1 by a power m, where m is an integer. Now you have to listen laws of exponents. First you have to know about product law. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So that is, for it is in the product, for we have to add the power a power m plus n. First you have to check the same base. So that is equal to a power m plus n. Next, quotient law. A power m by a power n, that is equal to a power m minus n. For other words you have to write, for this is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. These two have a same meaning. Next, power law. A power m whole power n. How to read this? A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. Next, you have to know about you have to learn about this note 2. A power m into b power m. For a, b, base are different. So here base are different, powers are same. So this is written as ab whole power m. A power m by b power m, that is equal to a by b whole power m. For suppose minus 1 whole power even number, that is equal to 1. Even number in the sense minus 1 whole power 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 100, 1000. Anything you have, that answer become 1. For minus 1 whole power odd number, for that means is equal to minus 1. For example, minus 1 whole power 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. So that is equal to minus 1. Students, now exercise 1.6, third problem. First problem. Evaluate 1 by 2 whole cube. That is second problem, 1 by 2 whole power 5. For 2 problems, I will give an explanation. For these sums, we have to use the laws of exponents formula. The first problem, 1 by 2 whole cube. That is equal to, for a by b whole power m. For we have to use this rules, a by b whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. So that is equal to, this cube is common for both numerator and denominator, 1 cube by 2 cube. That is equal to 1 cube value 1, 2 cube value 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 8. This is the answer. Now second problem, 1 by 2 whole power minus 5. For if we have a minus power, you have to listen very careful. First you have to apply the formula a by b whole power m. A power m by b power m. So that is equal to minus 1 whole power 5 by 2 power minus 5. That is equal to 1 by, for a power minus m formula, 1 by a power m. A power minus m formula is 1 by a power m. So 1 by 2 power 5. So 1 by 2 power 5, that is equal to 2 power 5. 2 power 5 value 32. Otherwise, one more shortcut for you. For listen, for this is the same problem. 1 by 2 whole power minus 5 is there. For when you have a fraction, inside the bracket you have a fraction with negative power, just you have to write the reciprocal for this number. You have to take a reciprocal. So that is numerator and denominator get changes. So that is, for 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. It's become whole power 5. So directly you have to write. For this is the explanation. For in the problems we will use this short method. For inside the bracket, for numerator and denominator you have a fraction form with negative power. Just you have to take a reciprocal for this. Then you change this negative power as a positive. So that is equal to 32. Next third problem, minus 5 by 6 whole power minus 3. Minus 5 by 6 whole power minus 3. The fourth question, 2 power minus 5 into 2 power 7 divide by 2 power minus 2. Fifth question, 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1. The divide by 6 power minus 2. For listen this, minus 5 by 6 whole power minus 3, like a previous problem, negative power. So negative power, what I said to you, short method we will follow this. For you have to take a reciprocal for this fraction number. For minus 5 by 6 reciprocal is minus 6 by 5. Reciprocal, the sign didn't get any changes. So minus 5 by 6, the reciprocal is minus 6 by 5. Whole power 3. This minus 3 become plus 3. So that is equal to minus whole cube. Minus number whole cube, minus into minus into minus. That is minus 6 cube by 5 cube. A power m by b power m. 6 cube by 5 cube. So that is equal to 6 cube value 6 into 6 into 6. That is 216. 5 cube value 5 into 5 into 5. That is 125. Now the fourth problem, 2 power minus 5 into 2 power 7 divided by 2 power minus 2. First you have to simplify this bracket. It is in the form a power m into a power n. That is equal to a power m plus n. For it is a, the same base. It is m, it is n. So it is in the product, you have to add the powers. That is minus 5 plus 7 divided by, for it is a power minus m is written as 1 by a power m. So 1 by 2 square. For in the m we have 2. So 1 by 2 square. So you have to subtract this. It is minus 5 plus 7. For 7 minus 5 is 2. Big number sign is 2. So 2 square divided by 1 by 2 square value 1 by 4. So 4 divided by 1 by 4. For in the division, the second number you have to take a reciprocal. So 4, the first number, the same number, the multiplication, so division become multiplication. Then you take a reciprocal for this. It is a division rule. The 1 by 4 reciprocal is 4. So that is 4 4s are 16. 4 are 4 by 1. 4 by 1 means that is 4. 4 4s are 16. Next fifth problem, 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 2. It is in the form, the base are different. 2, 3, powers are same. So we have to use the rule a power m into b power m, that is equal to ab whole power m. So that is ab means 2 3s are 6. The same power is the whole power minus 1 divided by a power minus m is written as 1 by a power m. So 1 by 6 square. So 6 power minus 1, that is a power minus m, the same way. So that is 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 36. 6 power minus 1 means 1 by 6 power 1. 1 by 6 power 1. So that is equal to 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 36. 1 by 6. The first number didn't get any changes. Just take and write. For division rule, division become multiplication. Then you take a reciprocal for this. The 1 by 36 reciprocal 36. So 166 is 6 6 are 36. So that is equal to 6.